afternoon, everyone. I'm Kumar Bosco from BJMC. Today's topic for my presentation is role of media in science and technology. So, in the introduction, as we are in 21st century, so technology, we are surrounded by technology. From missile to mobile, we deal with technology throughout the day, throughout the year, throughout the week. On the other side, media plays a very important role in the development of nations, especially in a nation like India, where media has played a very important role before the independence and also post the independence. And as media is the fourth pillar of democracy, media plays a very important role in educating, entertaining, and informing people. Various categories of news are covered in newspapers, so as science and technology news. We can say that science and technology news can be referred as the news from technology world, such as new development in technology. Like recently, ISRO has released 20 missiles from its space station that can be called as science and technology news. Review of literature. The review of literature which is used are as follows. Mohammad Hanif Khe and Syam Nelika in 2014 they conducted a research paper entitled Content Analysis of Online English Newspaper in India. This has taken place in 2014 and the survey method was used for it, and in their paper they suggested that comparing to other news, science and technology news are covered very less. And another review of literature suggested that it was done by Dr. Meenu Kumar. In her paper she has mentioned that Hindi newspaper gave only 1.74% of news on an average, and English newspaper gave 2.34% news on scientific issues. So the English newspaper give much more news compared to Hindi newspaper. The main objective for the research of the paper is to find the content related to science and technology news, to find the number of science and technology news covered in the newspaper. Methodology. Content method analysis has been used to write this paper. The study focused about the analysis of science and technology news in a Hindi newspaper. The motive of the study is to focus on the finding of number of science and technology news in total number of news. What type of news is it and relevant to you? The nature of the science and technology news is studied in the research paper. The paper which is used to do the content analysis is Prasad Khabar. It's a prominent Hindi news daily in the region of Jharkhand, and the 5th edition of Jamshedpur edition has been picked up. Sample size is 5-page newspaper of alternative days, and the date is 24th to 2nd of July of the alternative days paper of all the event dates. As you can see in the table, that total 740 news are covered, and total 21 news are related to science and technology news, which is total. This is the bar graph, the grey one indicating the total news and the brown one indicating the science and technology news. So the finding and conclusion can be made after this research. The data interpretation in these 5 days are that coverage given to science and technology news in Hindi paper are very less as compared to other news. Out of 743 news, only 21 news are related to science and technology, which is 2.82 of total news, percent of total news, and out of this 21 news, only 3 news are published with photos. So media can play a very vital role in covering the science and technology news, as technology is changing day by day every day. Here are the reference. Actually, the topic was what the percentage of science and technology news has been covered in newspaper. I'm not from the biotechnology.
Also,
Yes, ma'am.
when you conducted the study very little. Did you try to find out why is it so? Is it that the readers are not very interested, or is it the journalists are not able to collect the news adequately?
Actually, ma'am, it's conducted in a local newspaper of the Jaipur edition.
Okay.
So the mainly they have covered the local news more as compared to as I have mentioned in Vigo Criticism, which is done by previous study. English newspaper covered more of news and especially which are national news. Local news covered very less between science and technology news.
Why? We need to understand as journalists also we must know why is it so? Is it the people don't have a scientific temperament, or is it they're not concerned about it?
Actually, ma'am,
Because science touches everybody's life in every
yeah,
minute.
science touches everybody's life, but actually the problem is that people from the local region, they are more worried about the local news. They are more concerned with gadgets news, not much about science and technology news. That's why journalists cover less news of it. I have done my internship in Hindustan Times. I have learned that people are least interested in reading more of science and technology. They are much more interested in reading local news.
According to the journalist, I'll ask you one question. Assume that you are a journalist and there are two incidences that have taken place in your area of work. Okay? In one place, there has been a tragedy on account of, say, some medicine that has been prescribed and it has caused death. And there is another news where a politician has met with an accident. Which news would you give more importance and why?
It will be depend on the possibility of that politician.
No.
It will depend on the how the famous politician is. If the politician is not much famous, then the news will be covered about the people who died because of what you are mentioned. But if the leader is prominent, then the news will be covered.
Where is the social responsibility of a journalist go?
That's the
I don't think that it is related to all money people. This talent that you see in the colleges are all coming from the same place. So it is certainly, I mean, it's a relevant observation that there is a vernacular publications pay less attention to science and technology, but there is no logical reason why it should be so. As of now.
Actually, I have studied about the data.
Yeah,